Hello hopefuls, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I want to share with you how I decorated for Valentine's Day for this year of 2019. I like to decorate for Valentine's because it's my birthday. So I really did some simple touches starting here in the dining room, and I really wanted to be simplistic this year, and I also wanted to use what I already had. So the only thing in my dining room that I don't believe I shared in a haul is I picked up, I did, these doilies in a Dollar Tree haul I shared, and this is the only thing that I picked up to decorate the table. So I like how it came out. I used everything that I had already on hand: centerpieces, dishes, the runner, the placemats. And you guys seen this over many times in other different tablescapes, just in different ways. So you have any questions of where I got anything from, just let me know. I really love these LED candles from the Dollar Tree, and this little Target bullseye playground wreath that goes around the candles. It has like a touch of frost that simply reminds you of winter. Although the warmth of the doilies and the natural burlap makes it feel all warm and cozy inside for this season. I challenged myself to use what I had, and it really came out really well without spending anything, or not hardly spending anything at all. So it really came out with a look that I really was going for. I keep this crate of roses on top of my entertainment center in my craft room, and I really love it. I also used it with a different pattern of other colors of roses in that rustic wedding, and you can check that out on mylifefullofhope.com, and also there will be a video in that blog post, or you can check it out here on the channel. In the kitchen, I still wanted to use the buffalo black and white check print, so I thought I would just pull out what I had already, and then this worked out really well. I did pick up this Target One Spot XOXO, and I'm glad I picked up the little sign. It was $1, and I just housed it here with a Bath and Body Works candle that's almost gone. Worked out really well. We have a little simple coffee little station here. I also picked this up from the Bullseye Playground, made with love little sign. And I figured that our coffee area should be simple anyway, because we don't really drink too much, but I have been enjoying the pick-me-up when I do drink a cup of Java. And then over here I have still my cake stand that I picked up that I'm liking a lot, and just right now we don't have anything in it because we're trying to eat a little bit better, and I haven't gotten around to baking any muffins, but that's where they'll go, and some bagels. So maybe I should put a bowl of fruit there instead. Maybe. Then over here in this corner, I did it really simple. I don't like the word simple, guys, but I just put like my little Target One Spot, when it was the One Spot vase here. I put some flowers in it. It used to be pink flowers, if you've been with me for a while, and I just put it over here in this little corner with my little rustic clock from Kirkland's. So super cute. And then I got this, I think around fall, the Fresh Pies Baked Daily, and I just replaced that where it was a Christmas sign and another sign from Hobby Lobby. So in the breakfast nook area, I didn't decorate too much, just on this little, it's actually a TV stand from Big Lots, but I wanted to use it to house like plates and chargers and so forth. So I wasn't ready to put away the Christmas tree, so I did show this on Instagram, but I did add some roses in here and a lantern. I did pick up these Target One Spot skis, which I didn't get years ago, so I was glad they brought those back. And a candle from Aldi. I really like this little runner, but my boys with the crumbs and cleaning messes, I thought I'd put it over here to tie the kitchen in and everything instead of putting it on my table. And I just threw this little area together, guys. And then now into my living room. I just did a few touches of reds here and there. Nothing really overwhelming. And then some touches of gold to tie in like with my already decor. I really enjoy decorating and finding pieces from like the Target One Spot, Bullseye Playground, or from the Dollar Tree, and kind of creating its own classic look and building off of that. But also shopping at like Marshall's, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, like this clock is from Marshall's, and also creating a total polished look with both of them combined together. So I really enjoyed doing that. And this Bless Your Heart is from the Dollar Tree. This is something new this year. These red candles, LED candles, are actually from Dollar Tree from years before. In this area, I didn't do too much. I did still leave out the buffalo check pillows from Christmas. I added some roses here in this flower arrangement, and also I added like some berry picks inside of this arrangement to give it a little bit different look. I like how it came out. I've moved the ottoman over here, and I normally had my ladder bookcase over here, but I just left the ottoman here so it can be easily accessible if someone wants to use it. And I just leaned this little wood love from Dollar Tree up against here. And then these flower arrangements here were like in my entryway as you came in the open space, and I placed them here on the mantle. They kind of block my favorite quote scripture here, but it's okay. It's just a different look from now. And then in my entryway, guys, this really turned out better than I thought. I normally had this in my craft room, the V-Day, and I moved this all here. The new addition is those 2 silver candlesticks from Dollar Tree that I snagged up really quick. So this all came together with previous items with 2 new items. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and coming back to my channel today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great weekend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also turn on that notification bell to get any new video alerts from me. And don't forget, there's always hope. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.